Like we have this question based on the standard result. Question is if sum of vectors a, 2b and 3c is null vector, then prove that a cross b plus b cross c plus c cross a is equal to 2 times a cross b or 6 times b cross c or 3 times 6 cross a. We have result. We have standard result. If sum of vectors a, b and c is null vector, then a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. Okay, कैसे यूज करेंगे इस रिजल्ट को? Here we have vectors a, 2b and 3c. Vector b is replaced with vector 2b, c is replaced with vector 3c. Okay, so accordingly we replace vectors here. b को 2b से replace करेंगे, c को 3c से replace करेंगे. Okay, so for this sum is equal to 0 vector, we have a cross 2b is equal to 2b cross 3c is equal to 3c cross a. We are replacing b with 2b and c with vector 3c. Okay, so we get 2 times a cross b is equal to 6 times b cross c is equal to 3 times c cross a. Okay, अब हम इसका वैल्यू ला सकते हैं. We can write b cross c and c cross a in the form of vector a cross b. Okay, suppose this is vector p, then vector p will be, this vector will be a cross b plus what will be b cross c in the form of a cross b. अब यहाँ पे देखें b cross c क्या हो जाएगा? b cross c will be 1/3 into a cross b and c cross a will be 2/3 into a cross b. Okay, and this is 2 into a cross b. ठीक है ना? Alright. Okay, now we find a vector in the form of b cross c. Okay, so vector p will be a cross b is 3 times b cross c. b cross c is b cross c. Okay, and c cross a will be 2 into b cross c, and this is 6 into b cross c. Okay, then we find a vector in the form of c cross a. A cross b is 3/2 c cross a. B cross c is 1/2 c cross a, and c cross a is c cross a. Okay, and this is 3 into c cross a. Okay, so here using this standard result we are proving this. हमने ये रिजल्ट को यूज़ किया प्रूव करने के लिए. b को 2b से रिप्लेस किया, c को 3c से रिप्लेस किया. ओके, बट अगर आपको ये रिजल्ट याद नहीं भी है तब भी क्वेश्चन तो कर ही सकते हैं. क्या करेंगे? वी विल टेक क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विथ एनी 2 वेक्टर्स alternatively. Okay, then we will be able to prove this. अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे तो हम ये प्रूव कर पाएंगे और उसके बाद हम इस वेक्टर को we will be able to write this vector in this 3 forms. ठीक है? So we have here 8 octants depending upon signs of x, y and z.